This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Prise up the centre pin, lever out the plastic expansion rivet, then pull the luggage compartment side trim away to gain access to the rear light. Unscrew the plastic wing nut, then depress the clip and disconnect the wiring plug. Pull the light cluster rearwards and remove it. Unscrew the retaining nut and remove the bulb holder from the light unit. The nut can be unscrewed using the tool supplied, which is clipped to the rear of the light unit. If the tool has never been used, it will still be moulded to the rear light shell. Break the tab to release it. All the bulbs have bayonet fittings. The relevant bulb can be removed by pressing it in slightly and rotating it anti-clockwise. Note that some of the bulbs have offset pins to ensure they are fitted the correct way around. Align the pins or the new bulb with the slots in the bulb holder socket, then press the bulb in and rotate it clockwise to secure it. Refit the bulb holder to the light cluster. Ensure it's correctly seated, then tighten the retaining nut securely and stow the tool. Manoeuvre the light cluster into position on the rear wing. Reconnect the wiring plug, then refit the retaining nut and tighten it securely. Refit the side trim, tucking it under the tailgate weather strip, then push the plastic expansion rivet into the hole and secure it by pressing down the centre pin.